In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Framer platform to find and utilize templates. Framer is an incredibly versatile tool for creating interactive designs, and if you're looking to streamline your workflow, using templates can be a real game changer. Whether you're tackling a large project or just getting started with a new design, the right template can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on customizing and refining your vision rather than reinventing the wheel. To begin this journey, open up Framer on your computer. Framer's intuitive interface is designed to enhance user experience, so you should immediately see your main dashboard. Once you have Framer open, look for the Resources section. You don't need to click anything yet, just hover your cursor over it. This will trigger a drop-down menu that introduces you to all the resources Framer has to offer. In that drop-down menu, you'll want to click on the Marketplace. The Marketplace is a treasure trove of templates and design assets that can greatly enhance your project with just a few clicks. As you enter the Marketplace, you'll see an array of different templates lined up for you. They're categorized for easy browsing, so you can dive right into finding exactly what you need. Now, within these templates, some are free, while others are premium and require a purchase. If you decide to go for a paid template, it's a straightforward process. Simply click on the template you'd like, and you'll be redirected to choose your preferred payment method. But for today, let's focus on the free templates. In this demonstration, we'll select a free template. It's as easy as clicking on it. Once you've done that, you'll see an option to Use for Free. Click on that, and then click on the Copy button. At this point, you'll need to be patient. Sometimes loading the template can take a little while, depending on various factors like your internet speed, the size of the template, and even server traffic. So give it a moment to do its magic. Once the template has successfully loaded, it'll appear on your page as part of your project. You're not all set yet though. A Confirm button will pop up. Go ahead and click on that to finalize the process. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. This is where you get to unleash your creativity and bring your unique style and requirements into the mix. You can change the images to suit your brand aesthetics, update text to align with your message, and tweak the colors to better fit your design theme. Once you're fully satisfied with all your customizations and your project looks exactly how you envisioned it, navigate to the Publish option and give it a click. And just like that, you've taken a template from Framer's Marketplace and transformed it into a tailored piece ready for your audience. It's a simple yet powerful way to take advantage of the tools at your disposal and significantly enhance the efficiency of your design process.